Okay, pizza dough. 1 kilo flour. Make a well. 650 mils of warm water. 20 grams fresh yeast. 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Olive oil. Mix using a fork and try not to break the well. At this stage, when your dough is thicker, finish the job with a pastry scraper. Bring everything together. Now work the dough with your hands. Make sure that you have enough flour on your workspace. Work the dough until it becomes smooth. Once your ball of dough is smooth, transfer to a bowl. Sprinkle a bit more flour and cover with a damp towel. Store in a warm place for 45 minutes. Afterwards, your dough should have tripled in size. Transfer your dough back to your work surface and work until smooth. Make sure to add extra flour when necessary. When smooth, roll your dough into a log shape. Then portion your dough. Take your portioned dough and roll into neat shapes. You can keep these in the fridge for a few days, or you can keep them in the freezer for a few months. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for further videos.